Hi YouTube friends, this is Brad of Silver Lining Daydreams. Today in this video we're going to fix a section of fencing that is in disrepair. About 3 years ago we opened it up to get a bobcat into our backyard. We temporarily covered it up with some lattice fencing and just never got around to repairing it. A few days ago we trashed the lattice and today we're going to build this in two sections so that the section closest to the house could easily be removed if we need to get into the backyard again with something larger.
I forgot that there's a Phillips head screw underneath here, so we got to get these out.
I was able to use all leftover hardware for this project, but if you were to go buy those galvanized fence rail brackets for the 2x4s, they'd be about 65 cents a piece. I installed them parallel with the 4x4 posts. Some will install them perpendicular to the posts. I think they're supposed to be installed perpendicular, but either way will work in my opinion. Because the clothesline post is somewhat crooked, I chiseled the bottom rail. for the section of fencing closest to the house, I attached 2x4 joist hangers on the left and right posts. I didn't attach the 3 rails to the joist hangers so that after removing a half dozen screws, we can lift up the whole section of fencing to allow something larger into our backyard. Down the road, I'm going to modify this whole section by converting it into a gate. I was moving some of the wood at the side of the house here. So it looks kind of scared. There it is. There's a possum down there. His mouth is open. I think it's very frightened. Kind of a night creature, so I'm going to put the wood back and just kind of let him live in here for a while.